am your friend Anuj and you are watching my YouTube channel Food Craft. Welcome back. Today I share with you one simple and quick recipe of mango ice cream that you make in home very easily in few ingredients. That ingredients I show you: fresh mango, Milkmade and fresh cream. Now we will add mango in mixer grinder and puree. Now we put in the bowl. Now we will put cream in on it and whisk it for whipped cream. You see now our cream is become thick. We whisk continuously one side and now we keep side. Now we add cream on it. And mix it. Now we add Milkmade. 3/4 1 cup. And mix it properly. We check the seasoning. Yummy and tasty. And now we put in the freezer. Garnish with chunks mango. And mango pulp. And mix it. Now we take out our ice cream after 6 hours. Now our ice cream is ready. We garnish with diced mangoes and some nuts. And our yummy mango ice cream is ready. I hope you guys like my mango ice cream recipe. If you have any question, please comment me in my YouTube channel. And thank you very much for watching me. Please like, subscribe my videos. Thank you very much.